Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix app crashes with the Edits app. All right. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is to look for the app itself. And once you have it located, go ahead and tap and hold if you're using Android. Okay. If you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, then tap on apps, locate Instagram edits. Now go ahead and tap on it. And once done, okay, I'm going to show you for Android. Once more, I'm going to tap on the information icon. Now you should see the same set of options on your iOS as well. Okay. Now in here, I'm just going to tap on storage and cache. Just going to tap on it. Now on your iOS device, just go ahead and tap on offload app. All right. Here on Android, I'm going to tap on clear cache. Once that's done, tap on clear storage. Okay. After that, go ahead and launch the Edits app again and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, well, you will have to tap and hold both Android and iOS. Hit on uninstall or delete for iOS. And once done, open up your App Store or Play Store if you're using Android. Now tap on the search bar right here and just look for Edits. Now go ahead and reinstall it again. Once done, open it up and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if none of the workaround helps, you can go ahead and contact Instagram support for further information and assistance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.